Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the fire thumb filter on TikTok. It's very, very easy to get. Just takes about a minute. All you have to do is head over to your TikTok and open that up. Once you're in your TikTok application, you want to go over to your Discover tab, and then you just want to search for fire thumb at the very top. So search for fire thumb. And then when you search for fire thumb, all you want to do is find a video that's using that filter. So we're just going to click through the videos here that it shows us. And right away here, we see right above the person's username that the fire thumb logo there with the little star is right there that we can click on. You want to go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you'll be able to add to your favorites. So you'll be able to make your own TikTok videos with it. Now to activate this filter, you just need to hold your thumb up and then the lit flame will go above your thumb. Anyways, I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get the fire thumb filter on TikTok. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.